to you. Happy birthday to you. Hey guys, I hope you are doing well. This is a new video. I will still introduce the video well. And as over here, you can see we were cutting my niece's cake. Monday, it was her birthday and we were celebrating her. And she was just happy to celebrate her 8 years. And of course, we sang happy birthday to her. And Reina is just happy to touch the candle and she's just jumping around. And of course, none other than Daddy, who was the choir master over here. Hear him sing. Kata. 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 What's up, good people? My name is Masi Wamboi and this is my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, karibu sana, and in case you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. New members, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you like my content. And yeah, don't also forget to hit the like button if you enjoy my videos. It really supports my channel and it enables the YouTube algorithm to recommend my videos to other people. Yeah, so it's currently 4:30 and we are out in the market. It is still a village series. We are out in our local market at the village. This is Machinery Market. For those who are familiar with Mombasa Road, this is the place we call Machinery. And my sister is here to look for customers for market. For she I told you guys she does cooking, so she's here to look for market for her mandazi. She does mandazis. Is it mandazi or KDF? That one. Yeah, so she came with some samples and she wants to go to the shops to try and get customers so that she can get orders. Yeah, so I think I'll just take you around to see what is in the market. Nothing major. We are not buying. Mom is also buying some things at the wholesale shop. So yeah, comment down below and let me know whether you guys buy your things from the wholesale shop. And I feel you should, because it is a cheaper way and you will really save a lot. So mom has come to buy her things at the wholesale shop and I think that's it. So if there's anything to show you guys, I'll be sure to do so. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe and like and share my videos if you enjoy them. If you're enjoying this village vlogs, let me know down in the comment section. Then I will be doing as many as I can every time I'm in the village. And yeah, just let me know what sort of content that you guys want to see. I'm trying to do everything so that I can really see what you like. Currently, I know you like videos, my traveling vlogs, vlogs that I show you when I'm going somewhere. I think you like it because your reaction is usually so overwhelming. So yeah, comment down below and tell me what sort of content you want to see. Yeah, so let's go and see what Mama is buying or is doing. Here they are. This is Mama and this is my sister. They are busy buying from the wholesale shop. It's called Womies Your Traders Limited. Yeah. So this is where she does her wholesale shopping. So guys, as you can see over here, this is my sister and us walking around trying to look for clients. At least in the first wholesale shop, we had given a sample and now we are heading over to the next. And here is another customer that we found and my sister was explaining herself and we were giving the samples. And yeah, just trying to get new clients for her business, which was a really good experience. Hey guys, what's up, good people? My name is Masi Wamboi and this is my YouTube channel. In case you are new here, karibu sana, and in case you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. So this is, I think it's a continuation of the market video and I just reintroduced the video again. Anyway, so this is the following day and I'm in the kitchen. I want to cook some lunch and I want us to cook it together. So I want to cook and clean and organize this kitchen with you guys. And yeah, so yesterday we went to the market. When I came home, we relaxed a bit, and now this is the following day. Okay, so let me show you what we are cooking and how the kitchen is looking so that we can cook, clean, and organize with you people. All right. So we want to make some matoke. As you can see, these are my bananas and potatoes mixed. I have my tomatoes, my onions, and I've pounded some garlic inside here. And the kitchen is not looking so good. As you can see, there's things everywhere. You can see the floors are also dirty. There's that that's not supposed to be there. This is the sufuria I'm going to be using to cook. Some jiko, some dirty dishes on the sink, dirty sufurias, disarranged. This is where we put our sufurias, and you can see it is not arranged. They're literally not sufurias because they are dirty. And yeah, so I want us to do this together. So I will first of all prepare the ingredients, and then I put the food to cook. I was saying I will prepare the ingredients, put the food to cook, and then I will start on the cleaning. I will clean the utensils and then sweep the floors and arrange everything with you guys. So let's do this.
I get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight, what a time to be alive. Just you and I, just you and I. Only you can put my fire out. You can turn it all around. You can lift me off the ground, so we can fly again, so we can fly again. Trying hard not to go out of my mind. And all I need right now is for you to stay the night. But if you keep saying that you've got to leave, then I'm gonna be alright. As long as you tell me that we ain't running out of time. Thinking about all the things we did tonight, what a time to be alive. Just you and I, just you and I. Only you can put my fire out. You can turn it all around. And you can lift me off the ground, so we can fly again, so we can fly again. So we can fly again. never letting go, now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, yeah, you take me higher, baby. Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh, magic. No, I'm never letting go, now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher.
Now I had put the food to cook and I started cleaning, and I started with the sink to clear up all the utensils that had been used for breakfast before I continued doing any other thing.
You take me higher, baby, you take me higher, yeah, you take me higher, baby.
Once I was done with the sink area, I went to scrub the pots. Would I call them pots, or the sufurias on the floor, so that I could arrange them where they normally are, at the where the stone, where you can see these others. So just scrubbing the sufurias, and my sister joined me in the kitchen, but she was doing something different. Yeah.
I get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now, when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you can put the fire out. You can turn it all around. You can lift me off the ground, so we can fly again. So we can fly again.
Once I was done with the sufurias, I arranged them where they are supposed to be put, and I immediately started cleaning and wiping the surfaces. So I started with the table just to clean it up. It had some dirt, and also arrange it. And thereafter, I went on to sweep the floors, so that at least the kitchen would look tidy.
I've been trying hard not to go out of my mind. And all I need right now is for you to stay the night. But if you keep saying that you've got to leave, then I'm gonna be alright. As long as you tell me that we ain't running out of time. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you can put the fire out. You can turn it all around. And you can lift me off the ground, so we can fly again. So we can fly again. I get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now, when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you can put the fire out. You.
Right over here, my sister was preparing porridge for the baby, and I was done cleaning the kitchen. As you can see, this is me just showing you what I had done. This is the sink. I changed both water for washing and rinsing, and clearly there was no utensils on the sink. So yeah. Thereafter, this is just soap. My mom makes liquid soap for washing the utensils. Economical woman. And these are sufurias. I had really scrubbed the sufurias and arranged them where they are. As you can see, this one is shining clean. Yeah, I did a good job. Yeah, so thereafter, I think I had arranged the chicken, the kitchen. These are the jikos. some mutungis, and the table is clean. And I think I was done cleaning, and it was lunchtime. Now time to serve food, and as you can see, my sister is here serving the food. This is the matoke. This is how it turned out, and I think it turned out really good. And yeah, that is it. That was it for that day. So we serve food for people to eat, and yeah, it was lunchtime.
Just you and I. Only you can put my fire out. You can turn it all around. And you can lift me off the ground, so we can fly again. So we can fly again.
So guys, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching me cook, clean and organize our kitchen. And also, if you have liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're a new subscriber, please subscribe. And I will see you on the next one. Bye guys.